Millennials love these 5 overlooked stocks that are beating Tesla. People love to talk about Tesla, and this is for good reason. Not only is the automotive company one of the biggest electric vehicle manufacturers in the world, but its stock is also one of the best performing stocks on the market today. Unfortunately, in spite of all this buzz, sometimes attitudes around Tesla tend to get a little cultish. Investors get too focused on the company and its brand that they often missed out on other stocks that outperform it. In this video, we reveal 5 overlooked stocks that are beating Tesla. Then, we discuss the companies, their products, and their value. Before we dive into the main content though, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Our content is intended to keep you informed and engaged, so you sure wouldn't want to miss out. Before we reveal what these 5 overlooked stocks are, how about we get into a little conversation about stock value? Sure, Tesla may have a higher stock price than some of the companies we will end up talking about, but that doesn't mean it isn't outpaced in terms of other performance metrics. Stock price is mainly affected by supply and demand. Otherwise, there are a host of other relevant performance metrics relevant to stock, like price-to-earnings ratio, price-to-sales ratio, price-to-book value ratio, dividend yields, and many others. Many investors usually make the mistake of zeroing in on the price while ignoring all of these other metrics. For this selection, though, we looked at stocks that edge out Tesla in these other relevant performance metrics. Sure, Tesla might appear to be a way better purchase when you look at it from a certain angle, but analysis of these stocks reveals that the return on investment is potentially far greater than Tesla could earn you. And so, without further ado, let's get into the list. Number 1. NIO. NIO is a China-based electric vehicle company that many consider the East's response to Tesla. Having been launched about 7 years ago in 2014, the company has since grown to accommodate over 7,000 employees working on various cars, technologies, and concepts. NIO's revenue for the year 2020 was about $2.5 billion. Currently, stock prices hover around the $40 mark. For millennial investors who understand the electric vehicle business and are looking for alternatives to Tesla, then NIO might be your best bet. The company stock is not only projected for long-term success, but can benefit momentum traders looking to make quick cash. Number 2. Ford Motor Company. Ford is one of the legacy automakers in the world that predates Tesla by some 100 years. In spite of this, Tesla's stock has outperformed Ford's in recent memory. And so, with leadership wising up about the electric vehicle revolution, Ford has started to make moves so as not to be left behind. Other than beginning their own line of electric vehicles in the form of the Mustang Mach-E, the company also acquired electric vehicle startup Rivian in 2019, which is projected to be worth about $28 billion today. All these intelligent business moves reflect in the company's stock price, which has had a higher price change than Tesla recently. Number 3. General Motors. A contemporary of Ford Motor Company, General Motors is also making moves to avoid getting left behind. The company began its path to electric vehicle manufacturing as early as 1996. However, after some mildly successful stints with electric vehicles and hybrids like the Chevy Bolt, the electric vehicle division was disbanded, for leadership at the time saw no clear path to profitability. Regardless, recent announcements from the company appear to hint at changing ideologies, mentalities, and focus. General Motors has dedicated itself to investing as much as $27 billion into the development of electric vehicles. It also promises to have a lineup of 30 electric vehicle models by 2025. These announcements seem to have won the confidence of traders, whose investment in the company stock has earned it a price change higher than Ford's over Tesla's. Number 4. Moderna. Moderna's popularity among millennials should be no mystery, as the biopharmaceutical company has virtually turned into a household name over the past couple of months. The company was one of the first to announce a working vaccine for COVID-19 and has remained in the public eye ever since. Luckily, the company has avoided the negative press surrounding its competitors Pfizer and AstraZeneca regarding vaccine hoarding and negative, although exaggerated, side effects. Unlike Tesla, Moderna isn't an EV company, but as millennials can tell, its stock speaks for itself. Revenue from COVID-19 vaccines is good enough, but it also places the company in a great position to expand its research and development division to focus on producing treatments for other niche metabolic diseases like diabetes and cancer. Number 5. Enphase Energy. Enphase Energy is an American technological company that deals with software-driven home energy solutions in the form of solar energy, power storage, and web-based monitoring and control of domestic power systems. Since its launch in 2006, the company has proved to be a worthy competitor to the Tesla-owned energy company SolarCity. Today, having expanded human resources to include over 1,000 brilliant employees, Enphase was able to rack up revenue of about $780 million in 2020. Its performance pleases investors such that it reflects in the company's stock. With prices hovering around $140 and projected to rise, the stock is a premium target for millennial traders. As we come to the end of this list, it is worth it to reiterate that this list is not definitive. Many other companies have stock that could have easily earned a place here. Regardless, this list was curated to provide you with a diverse selection of options while still keeping in mind the interests of the millennial public. Even if you're not a millennial, you can still earn decent money trading on these. Is there a stock missing you would have loved to include, though? Please let us know below. We're always eager to hear from you and learn your perspective. And we're sure our other viewers all feel the same way about each other. As we sign off, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share if you liked the video. These gestures support the channel and ensure we keep coming at you with useful and engaging content. Our videos are always geared to ensure you remain informed and on top of your game. We are sure you wouldn't want to miss a single one. Till the next video though, take care of yourself. Catch you later.